welcome back to the Nails by Nana YouTube channel. If you are new here, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Also, don't forget the post notification bell so you can be alerted when I post a new video. Today's video is going to be 2-in-1. I am going to be reviewing some of the two cute Nambrail. I say Nambrail. It's late at night, y'all. I'm tired. The two cute nail supplies. I have become recently an ambassador for them, so I'm just going to go over some of the things that they did include in my package that I received for my PR package, right? So I've taken everything out, and the first thing that I noticed that I have is, let's see, pretty much just getting everything out of the package right now. Yeah, let's just see what we can run into. I'm unraveling everything. It looks like, so the first thing I unraveled, it looked like, was the jellies. Now this is the monomer cup that you can dip your brushes in when you are trying to clean your brushes. Let's see what the next thing is. It's going to be the monomer. Now one thing with their monomer is it does not smell heavy at all compared to the Young Nails monomer. I like the Too Cute monomer better smell wise. This is going to be the jelly pedicure packs for your feet. I do have to do a video about that, and it does come with 2 of them, so just a little something you can add when you are doing your own feet. I do my own feet, my own nails, so hey, comes in handy. Let's see, I think that says rose. And then what does this one say? It's just the same thing, y'all. So okay, Naija, next item. Nana, next item. So this is going to be the powders, the pigment powders. And it was a little messy when I took all of them out, and you guys are going to see a little bit. And I don't know if that's because, you know, when they're shipping them and the packages are moving around and everything was wrapped perfectly. But it's just that some of the powders had like residue from other powders, kind of, and you'll see right there, like on my hand, it was a lot of powders. It was a whole lot of but I should have wore gloves, but I wasn't thinking. I was just so excited to have my PR package, to be honest with you. So it's a lot of like summer pigment powders in here. But I feel like if you want to do a multitude of things, I feel like you can mix and match with them. It's so many nail trends, so many nail designs, so many things that you can do with nails. So I wouldn't just solidify these powders just for the summertime, but the color, they do give me a summer feel. That's pretty much all that I'm saying. But we have blue, yellow, orange, light orange, pink. What is this? Yeah, purple. We have so many colors in here. I think they gave me like 12 pigmented powders, if I'm not mistaken. And that's what I'm going to be doing right here, just taking all of the pigments out. I just wanted to show you guys a clear picture of what they look like, and you guys are also going to get a nail video here as well. I just wanted to do the PR package and everything too. Another thing is that you guys will see towards the end, they did send me my everyday nude cover acrylic, and I don't know what happened with the PR package. Things happen, so I'm not going to really say too much, but it didn't come with my PR package, so I had to wait an additional week for the other cover acrylic to come in. But they did include some free gifts, so that's a good thing. But pretty much what I did was just recorded the video a week later. And right here, I am going to be unraveling the Ocean acrylic powder. And I love the name. I love the color too. You guys are going to see, like, look how pretty it is. When I open it, it has like little sparkles and everything in it. And you'll see that in the videos. They also included some free stickies for me. I don't know if I'm going to use these. I might have a look eventually down the line that I do use these, but I don't really know much about what I could do with those. It's just the gesture that was nice. So this is a umbrella tee bit as well, and I think that was pretty cool that they gave me 2 bits. They gave me some spider gel. I think that is going to be the color. Is it in black? Yes, the color gel is in black. Can't wait to use the color gel. I mean the spider gel. I'm so sleepy, y'all. It is 1 o'clock in the morning, so if I mess up, just disregard. That is 1 chrome powder that they gave me as well. They gave me another drill bit, but for the cuticles, we appreciate you. Too cute. We appreciate you. This is going to be the cuticle oil. And this cuticle oil is one of the ones that you brush on. You don't, drip the drops on. You have to actually rub it against the cuticles. And I think I would use this for me, for my personal use, not for my clients, because I don't want to do that. The cuticle oil that I have is droplets for my clients. And then they also gave me some, I don't know what those are, honestly. Yeah, don't judge me. I don't know what those are. Then they gave me some foils, some designer foils, some Q-tips, some coffin tips. I said Q-tips. The Q-tip, the throw it away. They gave me some coffin tips, y'all. I like how the coffin tips look. I use that on this set as well. You guys are going to see when I do the set. And now we have started the set. So I'm going to be quiet and let you guys stay tuned for the rest of the video. Mwah. Oh yeah, guys, I now also have a community tab on YouTube. So if you guys want to be updated on the latest bloopers, the behind the scenes, anything that is in regards to videos, shorts, or anything that my community tab is going to be exclusive to my followers. So make sure that you're subscribing. Make sure that you're sharing my content with other people. Make sure that you're interacting with me. I like doing nails, of course, but it doesn't hurt to have a little interaction, y'all. But nevertheless, I'm going to go ahead and be quiet and let you guys watch the rest of the video. Bye.